going on, y'all? Fab Guy here. I'm welding some weld washers, TIG welding these onto this Rusty's track bar bracket because my track bar bracket is ovaled out. So as you can see, TIG welded a weld washer in addition to this 1/4 inch bracket. I'll show you why. Look at that hole. So check this out. You guys wonder why you have death wobble. Look at that bolt in there. Watch. Try to get you a better lighting here. And you see how there's threads? I'm going to shoulder a bolt, so I'm going to use a longer bolt. So you want this shoulder all the way through that. That's another reason why those threads are sawn through that bracket. I mean, that's ridiculous. So that's the issue with your guys' track bar and your JK, your JL, your XJ, whatever it is. I mean, insane. So I take this weld washer and weld it on the back side here. And that way I'm shouldered all the way through with a shouldered bolt. This 1/4 inch steering stabilizer bracket. 1/4 inch weld washer, so I got a 1/2 inch here, plus this, plus this, plus this. But as you see, the OEM is worn out. Now, Barnes 4-wheel drive makes a bracket for 31 bucks, but that's a shit ton of work, dude, cutting all that off. Yeah, just a ton of work. And Next Venture Motorsports makes a nice bracket if you do hydro steer. It comes off here and then goes that way. That's a nice setup as well if you do hydro steer, but I'm not doing hydro steer right now, so I'm not going to worry about that. If I do hydro steer, I'll take this back off, so I'm going to TIG weld it carefully so I could cut it off if I needed to. Alright guys, over and out. I'll show you the finished product here in a little bit. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe.